Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all fine and safe. I believe that you all understood what I taught in the last video class. Today we are going to see first poem. Can you all see this picture? Yes, I hope you all are guess what the poem is about. Yes, as you all are guess, it is crocodile poem. This poem is written by Lewis Carroll, who is an English writer. His most famous book is Alice in Wonderland. This poem appears in it. Children, can you see this picture? So, this picture appears in it. Children, now let me read the stanza 1. So, listen carefully. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail, and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale. So, children, can you all see a word doth in the first line of the poem? Yes? What is the meaning of doth? Doth is an expression of Old English for does. So, you can also say it has how does the little crocodile. Fine. What is the meaning of word improve? Improve means to become better than before. Fine. Now let us see what the poet has said in stanza 1. The poet is talking about the crocodile that lost in the river Nile. Where is the river Nile? Yes, Nile River is in Africa and it's the world's largest and longest river. He also tested at that the crocodile improves his looks by pouring waters on his body, which makes it shine and scale appear golden under the rays of the sun. This will make him look very attractive to the fishes that he want to prey on. What is meaning word prey on? Prey. Prey means food. So that all about stanza 1. Now let us move to stanza 2. How cheerful he seems to grin. How neatly spreads his glass and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Cheerful. Cheerful means happy. Grin means broad smile. Gently means softly or mildly. Now let us see what the poet has said in stanza 2. The crocodile cheerful grins and smiles, but his smiles is mask that it put to hide is really intention of attracting the fishes. Behind the fake smile there is beast neatly spreading his glass, all the while locking and waiting for an opportunity to strike or attack at the innocent little fishes that may come to exchange pleasantry with him. Yes? What is the meaning of beast? Beast means a wild animal that is large and dangerous. Locking means to wait or to know in a secret way. Pleasantry is a thing that you say to someone in order to be polite, but which are not very important. You also say it has polite conversation between two people or two animals. So that's all about stanza 2. Dear children, I hope you all understood very well about the poem. Just go through the reading poem. Children, learn and write in your notebook, glossary, poem, choose the rhyming words. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.